Welcome back, y'all. As you can see, I've got two marks made on two of the legs here. I'm going to cut out in between them so that I have some place for the sideboards to sit in. First thing I'm going to do is clamp these up so that I'm making the cuts on the same place on each leg. Then I want to set the depth of my circular saw to 1.5 inches because that's how thick the sideboards are. Now I'll set the gauge initially to 1.5 inches and then I'll double check it with my tape. And on this Ryobi, that gauge is right there. It tells you the depth of your cut. The next thing I'm going to do, make sure I got hearing protection, get my eye protection on, and then, oh, hang on, you need the speed square, which apparently has gone the way of my hammers. Can't be found anywhere. Well, looks like I'm going to use my miter gauge from my table saw. I'm going to check it for square before I do anything. It works out okay. Just need something that'll hold the edge of that circular saw and make sure these first two cuts are square. That one's good. Go up and make the top one here. Alright. Now I'm going to make a series of cuts about 1/8 of an inch apart all the way across those two legs in between the two lines that I cut. They're all at the same depth. Grab my screwdriver, wedge it down in there, give a pop, break those loose, and they're not going to come out yet. You got to go the other way. There you go. Break those free. Okay. So get those out of the way, break out the rest of them, and then we will move on to the cleanout process. Now we'll grab our trusty sharp chisel here. Get ready to do some chipping. Yep, that's about good enough to shave with. Since I don't have my hammers, we will be doing this a different way. Eventually my hand gets pretty sore here and I just grab a chunk of 4x4 and use that as a makeshift mallet. Now I cleaned out that first leg with the chisel. This one here, I'm going to use a rough cut blade with my oscillating multi-tool. See how well it works out. It actually seems to cut through pretty smooth and easy and levels out the surface fairly well as long as you're holding it right. And it made short work of that process. Definitely was a lot easier on the palms of my hands. Now I'm going to check and make sure that I got the right measurements and the right thickness, and I'm going to grab my combination square, check to make sure it doesn't have any wobble, would indicate high spots, and there were a couple of them. I'm going to go ahead and mark here. There's one there. I'm not real sure if it's going to affect it, so I'm just going to put a question mark in there, and on a smaller one down here as well. I'll check final fit when I go to put them sideboards on. Until next time, grace and peace, y'all. Thanks for watching.